bright city lights, painting gold on the rain.
Saw your shadow pass by.
Now I'm calling your name.
Every heartbeat is a spark in the dark tonight.
Maybe destiny is writing our story right.
I was lost in the noise, chasing dreams on my own. Built a castle of walls, made of glass and stone. Then your eyes found mine like a satellite. Now the stars keep falling every time we collide.
Don't run away, don't hide your heart. We're too close to fall apart.
Let me love you through the highs and lows.
Feel the fire in your soul
When the cold wind blows,
Let me love you
like the world stands still. Every beat, every breath, every dream we build. Oh,
We're shining like a neon sky. Together we can learn to fly. Let me love you tonight. Hands in the air, we're touching the light. Let me love you tonight. Forever starts here under the city lights.
every scar tells a story, every tear leaves a trace. But I see something beautiful written on your face, like a melody waiting for a perfect rhyme, like a clock that stopped turning the moment our hearts align.
No more fear, no looking back. Your hand in mine keeps me on track. Let me love you
Through the highs and lows,
Feel the fire in your soul
when the cold wind blows,
Let me love you
like the world stands still. Every beat, every breath, every dream we build.
If tomorrow fades away,
I'll still be here, I'll stay.
through every storm we find our way.
Our hearts will never break.
Let me love you brighter than the sun. Every chapter of our lives has just begun. Let me love you till the end of time. You're the rhythm in my heart, the reason that I shine. Let me love you tonight, dancing under the lights. Let me love you tonight. Forever starts here